the 2018 Nissan Sentra. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and power windows. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.